Hey everyone, it's Justin White here, the owner of Your Repair Depot, Your Repairs Done Right, right here in the Comox Valley. We've been receiving a lot of calls, messages, and emails asking, are we open? And the answer is yes. Think about that. Your cell phone is an essential service, and we want to make sure that you're staying connected with the ones that you love, and also being able to get your emails and your communications and finding out what's happening, not just in the Comox Valley, but also in the world. During this COVID-19 pandemic, these are crazy times, and we understand how challenging they can be for you and your family. So we want to remind all of our customers that we do have a buy, sell, and trade program here at Your Repair Depot. You may have upgraded recently to a brand new iPhone or Samsung Android phone, and you've got your old one sitting at home. Well, we buy those back and we pay cash on the spot, even if they're not working. So iPhone 6 with a broken screen, no problem, bring it in. iPad with a swollen battery, no problem, bring it in. Samsung Galaxy with a bad charge port, no problem, bring it in. Within a few moments, we'll be able to give you an honest, fair estimate and pay you cash on the spot for your devices. Because in these times, who couldn't use just a little more help financially? Well, Your Repair Depot there is here to help you. When you come into our store, you'll notice that there's a few changes, and that's in order to protect you and us as we move forward. What do you do with all of those older devices that we bring in, you're asking? Well, what we do is we refurbish them with premium quality parts. Take a look over here. We have all of these different phones available, as well as iPads. And right now, some people just can't afford the newest phone, but they need to stay connected. Well, we're here to help you as well. So we have quality used electronic devices at an affordable price, backed with a solid warranty in store. So look around your house, see what you have, bring it on in and get extra cash. As well, we're doing all full service on makes and models of cell phones, tablets, and laptops. So bring them in now, get them fixed and repaired. Most repairs are in the same day. As you can see, Chris is busy here. Say hi, Chris.
Hello.
Chris is the store manager here at Your Repair Depot, and he's here to help you today. So we're here to support you. Together, we'll make it through this COVID-19. Not just make it through, we'll be stronger together. We'd like to send a shout out now to all of the medical field, the nurses and the doctors that are actually standing on the front lines, and offer you to come into the store right now, and we're going to give you a discount on all of your repairs because we know that you need to stay connected to your loved ones as well. So reach out. We can be contacted on phone at 250-871-4541 or on our website at www.yourrepair.depot.com. Your repairs done right.